Is this recording? I hope so. Anyway, welcome. My hand's itching. It's like itching the fuck out of me. But anyway, how's everyone doing? I hope everyone is chilled. And we're gonna go over some recaps, man. Recaps. BTC closed out making $578. Should have closed when I saw 1,000 because I was floating 1,000. I don't know why I didn't close, but I trusted the high time for 4 hours. But I guess I didn't incorporate the daily, which I need to do actually, because if you can see right here on the daily, we had that indication above this high, and price was just going on a huge correction. So I saw it yesterday. I'm like, this could give us a potential higher low because it did indicate, and it didn't break any strong levels of bias. So maybe I should have heeded that, but it's okay. So as of now, price is going back on that correction. It's in the continuation phase now because on the 1 hour it indicated back bullish, so that my entry would have came somewhere from here, which is fine though because wait, why is this level? Yeah, I don't need this level. Or do I? No. Yeah, so there was that, and yeah, prices started buying up. So I sold price from here, and it just continued because it did indicate bearish on the 1 hour, and then it started pushing down. So now on the 4 hour, we do have indications above these swing highs, but yeah, so right now just chilling, not doing too much, just waiting for price to give me a nice setup. I'm not gonna rush anything. It is struggling. This push was like news. I didn't know there was news today, if I'm being honest. But yeah, we're just gonna play it by ear and just see what happens, because as of now I do see price going back bullish. I need to find like things. I don't want to confuse myself with so many lines and stuff, but it's okay. Daily we are still bullish. So right now we have these indications above these highs. So we're just gonna wait for price to actually give us proper indications, corrections, sorry. So I'm just gonna mark my swing highs, because on my MT5 for some reason it's showing that it is it did indicate above this level, but TradingView shows me a different story. So I don't know, it's kind of confusing. So I'm just gonna go with what TradingView says, if I'm being honest. I'm not gonna try and confuse myself. So I'm just gonna let price be and do its thing. So yeah, this is the setup I saw today. I could have taken this, but I don't know why. So we had that lower high, built in 1 hour, price pushed up, indicated, broke this one and confused me, thinking okay, it's gonna sell off. So that's why I entered sells, and then I lost $150, but it's fine. I'm not mad. But yeah, either way, I could have taken it as soon as price came back above this level. I guess it was just a heavy correction, so I should never forget the first indication always counts. I guess this was just a fake out. The second time around it's probably a fake out. So yeah, I could have taken it above here, then I would have had a nice 1 to 3, but I still could have held because on the daily time frame are bullish. So either way, it's fine. Yeah, I guess I use the daily just to identify where the trend is and there's any big indications, and then I'll wait for that on the 4 hour. But I still could trade the 4 hour either way. Either way, it doesn't really matter. But yeah, so that is it. quick trade recap. On the 1 hour, it did break these highs, but I'm trying to go more so on the 4 hour, so we can have that push down, correction, and then we have that push back up. So right now I'm just keeping my hands to myself. I'm not really too worried about what price does. So I do have my alerts set somewhere here because it did break these highs, so I'm gonna just play it by ear. Hopefully price hits this alert. And then I wish I had TradingView Premium because I could set so many alerts. Because right now I just have to work with what I have. I can only set 3, so it's fine. And then UK, let's see. I was expecting this to give us a high and low, a lower high, sorry, because if we go to the daily, price is on a downtrend. We didn't have any prior indication. I mean, we did here, and then we had the correction, and we had that mini continuation. Didn't really get there up until it broke these levels, and yeah, so price is clearly on a downtrend. Broke these levels, so yeah, I'm just expecting it to give us. So we are on downtrend on the daily, so I guess selling price wouldn't be a bad idea, but I'm not rushing it because I did have that indication back bearish here. Remember, this is the 4 hour level we marked out with those buys, and then the correction played out. I mean, the indication played out. Now we're waiting for it to correct. So on the 1 hour, it's doing that right now. I don't know why my shit is glitching, and I'm just waiting for price to hit my level. And yeah, just take price back down. That's what Germany is doing. UK, what is UK doing? You could do the same thing, but it didn't really get to that buys level, but it's fine. So now I'm waiting for it to hit up, give us a lower high, then we take price back down. So these are the setups that I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for the lower high to form right now on UK and German, which should sort of play out. For BTC with that 4 hours, I'm waiting for the 4 hour to give us a high low first. So I need the correction on 1 hour to be bearish, indicate back bullish, because it's gonna do that to give us a higher low, then we push back up because the daily is on an uptrend. So just target these levels that we set here. So yeah, man. I guess I can remove that one because I marked it already on the daily. So yeah, I just wait for price to do what it needs to do, and yeah, right now not too phased to remove this. Not really focusing on anything because I want to trade what I want to see, and what I want to see is not there yet. Oh, but on German it might be there, so it's potentially forming, so I'm just waiting for it, but we'll probably take it. I don't know, maybe we'll do it in the AMs or something, I don't know, but peace, man. That's it for me.